Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and want to publish a new blog post in 2026, articles, updates, tutorials, news, the process is simple, but knowing where to click and what to configure makes a big difference. So in Squarespace, each blog post is its own page with its own URL, SEO settings and layouts. In this settings or in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create a blog post in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, log in to Squarespace. So open your website, go to pages, click your blog page. This opens the blog index. Okay, so let's start. Websites, pages, your blog page, it will be here. Okay, so this opens the blog index. So add a new blog post. So inside the blog page, click add post. Okay, Squarespace opens the blog post editor. You are now editing a brand new post. Okay, so this is a separate editor from normal pages. So add the blog post title, you know, clear and descriptive, SEO friendly, avoid very long titles, for example, how to build a portfolio website in 2026, and then write the blog contents. Click inside the post body, add blocks like text, images, videos, buttons, quotes. So drag and drop blocks, fully visual editor, break content into sections for readability. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.